Hey guys, Papa Dan here. How's everybody doing on this Wednesday afternoon? Well, we got the sisters done here, so we got a final reveal on those. Just real quick before we get to that though, just a reminder, 5 days, 5 more days, and then the fifth annual, fifth or sixth, something like that. I've lost count. But the annual Bandai group build is coming up. So just wanted to remind you all about that. So let's take a look at the what I'm calling the sisters. These are 1/144 scale Hurricanes. And we did them both pretty much the same except for some of the markings on them. And I got to tell you, I'm really liking doing these small scale kits, like the car that I just finished, and now these little planes. I mean, these are fun. So we'll definitely be doing more of these. The planes I've got more of. The cars I've got to get some more. I've only got one in my stash, and I know there's a few more out there, so I definitely want to bolster my my stash with the 1/35 scale cars. I'm going to blame BG and Sean for that. It's all their fault. But anyways, this is how they came out. So I'll show you the only thing that I really had a problem with on these is we got the wheel wells painted the green there. You probably can't see it, but the landing gear is also painted silver. We were able to detail that. But the only problem that I had with these little guys were the decals. A lot of the numbers for the side of the planes here, they just disintegrated as soon as they touched the water. They were gone. So, but I was able to get just enough to complete these two planes. And as far as paints that we used, we did the Vallejo steel on the landing gear, the game color tinny tin on the exhaust coming out of the engines on the planes, the flat earth XF52, the dark green 2 Royal Air Force XF81, and then the cockpit green XF71, and the rubber black XF85. So that was the colors that we used. But we got the navigational lights here, the green and red navigational lights. That's to me a clear. That's what I used on those. So I was going to I was going to do one just like you see it, but then the clear one, I was going to call that Wonder Woman's plane. So, but I decided not to. But I'll tell you what, the clear ones, they are kind of a pain to put together because you can't see to line up the parts that well with it all being clear. So that was kind of a pain on these little ones. but we got it. So anyways, not going to keep you very long. Just wanted to show you the final on these two. So hope you guys have a great week. It's hump day. We're on the downside of it now. And we'll talk to everybody on the next video. Bye now.